Welcome to OPSWAT Academy's video tutorial on how to enhance incident response and forensic capabilities through effective network segmentation. Whether you're a network administrator or a cybersecurity enthusiast, understanding how to structure your network can significantly impact your ability to respond to and analyze security incidents. In this video, we'll guide you through the concept of network segmentation, explain its importance, and show you how to implement it step by step. Let's get into it. Network segmentation plays a critical role in incident response. By dividing a network into smaller, manageable segments, you not only enhance the security but also reduce the attack surface. Segmentation limits the spread of potential threats by isolating them to specific areas, making it easier to contain breaches and reduce overall impact. This is essential for maintaining crucial operations and ensuring that parts of your network remain unaffected, even during a security incident. Effective segmentation starts with strategic planning. First, identify the critical assets of your organization. These could be data centers, user environments, or specific servers. Then, consider the traffic flow and the level of sensitivity of the data handled by different parts of your network. The goal is to create segments that logically group assets with similar security requirements. This not only helps in tailoring security policies, but also in prioritizing incident response measures for different segments. Now let's see a possible setup process in 5 steps. Begin with a network audit to conduct a comprehensive review of your existing network and to identify all connected devices and understand their functions. Then, based on the audit, define your segments. For example, separate your administrative network from the operational network. Next, implement controls. Use routers, firewalls, and VLANs to enforce these segments. Configure rules that govern the traffic between these segments to ensure security policies are upheld. Once configured, test the segments to ensure they work as intended without disrupting normal operations. The last step is monitoring and adjusting. Regularly monitor the traffic within and between segments to tweak and improve segmentation rules as necessary. With well-defined network segments, forensic analysis becomes more focused and manageable. In the event of an incident, analysts can quickly isolate the segment involved, reducing the scope of the investigation and speeding up the response time. Moreover, segmentation also aids in the identification of anomalous activities within a segment, making it easier to pinpoint the source of a breach or an attack. Finally, let us give you some best practices that should always be considered. Continuously update your segmentation strategies to adapt to new threats and changes in your network architecture. Apply the principle of least privilege to minimize access rights across segments to only what is necessary. Maintain detailed documentation of your segmentation rules and configurations. This aids in both compliance and operational maintenance. And finally, ensure your segmentation strategy works in harmony with other security measures like intrusion detection systems and firewalls. And with that, we have arrived at the end of this video. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial on using network segmentation to enhance incident response and forensic capabilities. Remember, implementing and maintaining network segmentation is a proactive step toward enhancing your organization's incident response and forensic capabilities. It's never too early to apply these measures. Start today. Stay tuned for more insights into practical cybersecurity and subscribe to the OPSWAT Academy YouTube channel so you won't miss an upload.